Oh my God, Asa.
Oh, hello.
Oh, what are you doing there?
I'm just monitoring my Alex window here. Look at it.
Oh,
It's already
yeah.
blooming of flowers.
Oh, is Alice's pinto flowers?
Yep, I guess because it's the roots almost the same with the Alex window here. It's connected.
Oh, I think Alice's pinto is have a yellow.
Oh yeah, but wait, there's a yellow one and the purple one.
Yeah,
It's the pink or purple.
yeah,
Just tell the comment if it's a Agnes Pinto a flower or not, guys.
yeah.
I will wait for it. Just if you
So-
know.
What you will do now? Oh, I know.
Right.
I know. I think you will show something, right?
Something very interesting.
Yeah.
It makes you always curious because I already have a table here.
Yeah, I think if you have a table, so you will share something for us,
That's
for
right.
your viewers.
That's right.
About what, I think?
You still remember about the fertilizer?
Oh, yeah, interesting.
I have already mixed the oxen one, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
The second one that I promised to all of you in the previous video, I will make the gibberellin.
Gibberellin?
Yeah,
Oh, what kind of fertilizer is it?
it's the fertilizer to make the roots grow more faster, guys.
Oh,
The
yeah?
roots of the plant, and it contains a lot of it like a natrium, sulfur, and iron that really need to for the plants.
Oh, I see.
But
So, I'm curious. How can you make it?
you will curious about it, right?
Yeah.
And you know what, guys? It's really easy to make.
Easy?
Yeah. It just needs
Oh, are
3
you kidding?
ingredients.
Are you kidding, guys?
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh,
Just need 3 ingredients,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it will make your plant smiling all the time.
Oh my gosh. You are very, very clever, guys.
You're also
Oh.
clever because you already catch my point there.
Yeah.
First, like
Yeah.
you said, oh my god, that's how you will make something interesting, right?
Yeah.
You already catch my point there.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I
I
will
know
not
that.
explain it anymore
Oh.
because you know what, guys? When I try this mixture on my plant,
Mm-hmm.
the root is growing more stronger now.
More stronger?
More stronger, and when I pull it like this, it's really easy to pull, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Not this one, but this one. It's really hard to pull.
Yeah.
Because I tried it here.
Oh.
Look at it.
It's so hard to pull it, right?
It's really hard to pull it.
Oh my
and
gosh. So it means the root is very strong, right?
it's very strong.
Mhm.
And the plant will grow more wider like this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Gibberellin.
With gibberellin?
Gibberellin is the hormone to increase the length of the plant,
Oh,
the
yeah.
width of the plant.
Oh.
It's different with auxin.
Oh,
Auxin is
yeah.
mean apical, right? It's
Yeah,
the top
yeah.
of it.
Oh, yeah.
The new leaf or new stem like that that's growing from the auxin.
Oh,
But
from the
this
action.
one, for the width of the plant,
Okay.
it use gibberellin.
Oh my gosh.
So,
I
without
can
further ado,
wait.
I will
Yeah.
show all of the ingredients, guys.
Oh, yeah. What is it?
You have ever known about this?
What is that?
You ever know about panda?
Panda, yeah. I know. Panda from China, right?
That's right. And what's the food for panda?
I think it bamboos.
That's right. So, this one is the bamboo shoot.
Bamboo shoot. Oh.
I think you have already heard about it.
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
never seen the plants before.
Yeah.
It's a plant. It's the
Ah.
baby bamboo here.
A baby bamboo.
That's why it's called bamboo shoots, right?
Or young bamboos.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh
Young
my
bamboos are bamboo shot.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
And you know what? In tradition culture here, it made as a result or I forgot, but it's like a traditional food, you know.
Oh.
I have never tasted because they say the taste of it is not that good.
Yeah.
But there's many people that love about the taste of it.
Okay.
So yeah, this one, the
but
first
we can
ingredient.
use it for fertilizer, right?
That's right. We
That's
use
the
it for
main ingredient.
It's the main ingredients, and we have the second ingredients here, guys.
What is that?
Probably you always love it, guys, because
What
it's
is it?
sweet. It's a glucose, or sugar.
Glucose. Oh, white sugar.
Yeah, it's white sugar. It's
Alright.
pebble sugar, you know.
Oh,
You
I
have-
see.
I think all of you already know about the sugar because
Yeah.
it's quite impossible to see people didn't eat the sugar, you know.
Yeah.
And the third one, not the third one, is two most important things to make, you know.
Yeah.
And this one, the third one, is the water.
Water.
Yeah.
Oh.
Clean water. We use rainwater here from
Yeah.
our pond.
Mhm.
If you want to sit there,
Yeah.
and you know what, guys? It just needs 5 liters of it.
5 liters for
Five.
one formula.
Yeah, one formula need 5 liters water.
And what about the bamboo shoot? What? How many that we needed to make it?
It's around 250 grams or one bamboo shoot like this, and we chop it
Oh,
like this. Look at it. I have already chopped most of it, and it looks like this. So
Oh my God.
we gonna use this one.
oh yeah,
It weighs around 250 grams, I guess, or 1 kilos.
1 kilos.
Yeah, it's 1 kilos of bamboo shoot here.
Yeah.
And the next one,
Okay.
I will show you how to make it, guys.
Oh yeah. I can't wait any longer to know it.
Because
Oh my
I
gosh.
think you have a plan in your home, right?
Yeah.
And you want to try the mixture.
Yeah.
And before that, I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Have you tried the previous mixture
Oh yeah.
about the rabbit urine? About
Yeah,
the
I have.
oxy?
I have tried it. And
What's the result of your plan?
Oh my gosh, it's wonderful, amazing, guys.
So it's showing a quick result, right?
Yeah, of
So
course.
I'm not lying.
No, you're
You
not
have
lying.
proof
You
of it,
you
right?
tell the truth.
That's right. I have a proof.
Yeah.
And you already proved that. So this one,
Yeah.
the first
Oh.
one, guys, we need to untie this knot 1st because, oh my god, it's kind of hard, I guess,
Yeah.
but I can do it.
You can do it.
I can do it because I'm a scouting guy.
Okay.
I'm a scout person, so I'm already killed a lot of note in my life, especially this one.
Yeah.
But you know what? Plastic note is just impossible.
Oh.
I find it harder, but yeah, I use a easy note here. Easy note here, so a bit more faster and more easier. Like this one.
Okay.
Look at it. It's already being untied, right?
Yeah. Oh,
So
that's.
we need to chop it first, guys.
Oh,
the first
yeah.
looks is like this, and after that we
Yeah.
chop it like this. Okay.
And you have chopped it, right?
Yeah, I have chopped it, of course, because the gibberellin used this. I don't know. One of
It
these.
must be a fresh bamboo shoot,
Of
or.
course, we must
Oh.
be fresh bamboo shoot, not being boiled yet.
Oh yeah, I see.
Fresh from the trees.
I
That's
know.
why-
I know. Oh.
It smells like a bee.
Yeah.
So the first one, we need to untie all the knot here,
Okay.
and the gibberellin needs one of these answer, one of these molecules from here
Yeah.
or chemicals from here
Yeah.
to make the fertilizer to be fermented,
Oh, I see.
and the sugar is for the food for the microorganism.
Yeah. So we don't need to decompose like EM4, etc.
That's right. Because
Oh.
in here is already have a microorganism,
Oh.
and we use this sugar to feed the microorganism.
Oh, I see. I know now. I know. Yeah.
You know it now?
Yeah.
It's easy explanation, right?
Yeah. And understandable.
Understandable, of course.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I think I need to unwrap it like this because we
Yeah.
need all of it. It's 250 grams.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
250 grams. Like
Maybe
this, guys.
after fermented, we will applicate it to our plant, right?
That's right. But before that, we need a fermentation.
Oh, how long? For how
The
long?
time of fermentation is almost 2 weeks.
2 weeks, at least.
At least 2 weeks.
Oh,
but
my
more days, more better.
Oh yeah.
But the recommendation is just 14 days, guys.
14 days.
Or
Yes.
2 weeks.
Okay.
The first one, we need to mix all of it
Yeah.
in the water.
In the water?
Yeah, all of it like this.
Oh yeah. Let me see. Oh my gosh. All right.
It's already showing a bubbles, right?
Yeah.
That's a microorganism there.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh
And
yeah.
and the taste. And next of it, the food for the microorganism.
Yeah.
It's the sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Something sweet, right?
That's right. Something sweet. We can use some molasses for it.
Oh yeah.
It's more easier to find that sugar than molasses, right?
Yeah.
So we use sugar here. And you know what, guys? Molasses is the ingredient for making a brown sugar. So brown sugar is not healthy. It's just
Yeah.
more sweeter with the molasses.
Yeah.
They mix the white sugar like this
Yeah.
with the molasses, so it turns into brown sugar.
Yeah.
After we mix all of it in this water, so
Yeah.
we need to stir it.
Stir it?
Yeah. Maybe
Oh.
I will use my hand here
Okay.
because it's not that smelly, you know.
Yeah. I think smell is good.
Yeah, the smell is really good.
Oh my gosh. This young man have many experiment
That's right.
to make Oh.
I love to have a lot of new experiment, you know.
Yeah.
Because in my younger age, I want to know more than others younger age now.
Yeah.
Because they're trapped in a phone, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And I want to have more than them. And it's really possible now.
Yeah.
Because the competition is not that high.
Oh yeah,
It's not
that's
that tough.
good. Yeah, that's right.
And it's ready being mixed, guys.
Oh.
And after that, we need the plastic to wrap all of this, and we ferment it for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Just 2
so
weeks.
so easy.
It's really easy. Just need three ingredients with the water, right?
Oh yeah.
And the most important thing that you need to find is this one, guys. Bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoot.
Because the microorganism is in here.
Yeah. Oh, it's already there.
It's already here, and
Oh.
we need sugar to be the food for the microorganism.
Okay.
This one, guys. Oh, I need to mix it again.
Okay.
So we need to leave it for 2 weeks. But before that, we wrap it with the plastic.
Yeah.
So all the oxygen will stay here.
Yeah.
And the microorganism will smell it, guys.
Oh, they can be grow there, right?
They will be growing here. And you know what, guys? I will try this mixture in the next video when we
Okay.
already set. It's already set, and I will make the video of it.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see in the next video, guys. See you. I hope it's helpful for you, and don't forget to try it. See ya.